electricity within the nation. The first power plant was built back in the 1960s, which supplied power to the surrounding areas of Muscat only. Today, 98% of the country receives a continued supply of electricity. Talking about sustainable projects, Oman Electricity Transmission Company started operations on the 1st of May 2005 in accordance with the license granted by the Authority for Electricity Regulation Oman and as per the responsibilities decided for the electricity and water sector organisation and privatisation law. The company is wholly owned by the government, represented by the Electricity Holding Company, a company also wholly owned by the government, with 99.99% of the shares, and the Ministry of Finance with 0.01% of the shares. Today, OETC is one of the main electricity companies responsible for management and high-voltage transmission of the electricity power, 220 kilovolt and 132 kilovolt, in most of the regions and governorates of the Sultanate. OETC has been one of the pioneering companies in the last few years to add to the sustainable growth and success of Oman. Working around the clock, the company has managed to establish several projects across the country. The main electricity transmission grid of OETC consists of 686 kilometers of 220 kilovolt electricity transmission lines and 2,838 kilometers of 132 kilovolt transmission lines in the different regions and governorates of the Sultanate. OETC acts as a connecting link between the generation stations in the different regions of the Sultanate and the electricity distribution companies like Muscat Electricity Distribution Company, Mazoon Electricity Company and Marjan Electricity Company. Therefore, it is responsible for transmission and dispatch of power flow to the customers. OETC management emphasizes the importance and absolute need to streamline all the initiatives undertaken by the company in order to have greater impact on the overall business of the company. A few of the key elements that are synonymous to the brand is management, operation and maintenance of all the transmission grids on extra and high voltages all over the country with the optimal economic usage of the grids. Simultaneously, the Load Dispatch Centre plays a vital role in overlooking and supervising the supply of electricity to the entire nation, while people enjoy